Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to your backend server from your Flutter app. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use files from the image gallery and the picture files taken directly from the phone camera. So here is Flutter's default demo project having a fab button and the incremented counter. We are now going to implement our file upload features on top of this. What we'll do on click of this fab button, we'll open the image gallery of the phone and select some pictures to upload. Else we'll open the mobile camera and take directly pictures from your device and upload that to our backend server. Okay, let's do this. To access the images from the phone gallery or take images directly from the device camera, we need to use one package. It's called image picker. So let's download that first. To download that, we have to go to this website called pop.tav. Here we have to type image picker, which I have already typed, so it's in the history. Okay, this is the package which we need to use. For using this package, first we need to add this dependency in our dependency list, which I have already done. Here's the line I have already added. And you have to, after adding that dependency in your dependency list, you have to run this Flutter package get command, and you have to import the package by this import statement, which I haven't done. I haven't done, so I have to import the package. Then we are ready to use the package functionality in our project right now. So after this, we need to add couple of more lines, and this is the one from that. So here we'll replace that child widget at here. Okay, so it's showing undefined name underscore image error. So to rectify this one, we need to add this get image method and this underscore image variable to our project. Okay, so if you'll check right now, that image, that particular error at here has gone, but there is an error at here, undefined class file. To rectify this one, we need to include one more package, and the package name is this .io. So if right now if we'll check, then that error has gone. So right now our image picker plugin is using device camera for the source of file. So right now we can test our code whether we are accessing the image or accessing the camera or not. So let's do that first. Okay, so as we have added the package right now and we are ready to test the app. Currently our package, this image picker package, is pointing to the device camera as a source for image file, and this my mobile which right now connected with my Android Studio. So let me build this app and push it to my mobile first. Okay, our APK is ready and it's installing. Here it is. So this is our app. Right now no image has been selected, so that's why it is showing no image selected. On click of this fab button, you should open the camera app. Okay, nothing's happening. Alright, I forgot to add one more thing, that is we need to use this get image method at here in place of this increment method. So we need to, okay, it's hot reloading. I hope right now it will work. That's it. So right now we can access the device camera. So I think it's working fine. If we'll take this image, okay, here it is. So our camera is ready right now. Then what we will need to do, we will, in place of this camera, image source equal to camera, let's test this by using gallery. So we have changed the source to gallery from the camera, and let's rebuild it once again. Okay, so right now when I will click on this fab button, increment fab button, it should open the gallery in place of camera. So let's do that. Here it is. So if we choose any picture, then okay, that's picture came. So means our whole plugin is working fine. Okay, after successfully setting up the image picker package, we need to add one more method. It's called upload file method. So this method will help us to upload our files to server side. Currently there are a couple of errors. I will tell you one by one how to resolve all these errors. So first error is the base name is not defined. To resolve this base name error, we need to add one more package. Is called path.dart. So if we check right now, the error has gone. Then this form data and this response do, all these are part of a one more package is called do. Do is a HTTP client for Dart, and which we are using to upload our files to server side. So to resolve all these errors, we need to add that do package. So same thing we have to do. This is the do2.1.3, and you have to first include the do dependency in your dependency list in your pubspec.yaml file. You have to run this command, and you have to import the do package to your project by using this import statement. So I've already added the dependency and download the package. I just need to import the package ID in my project. So if you check right now, both error has gone. About this error I will tell you after a few minutes. Okay, so let me tell you how this upload file is working. Upload file method is working. So it's receiving a file path, and what it is doing, it is extracting the base name from the file path and storing it here, and we are printing the file name at here, base file name, and we are sending the file data by using this form data at here. This is our endpoint for storing the file, and we are getting the response back in this variable, and we are printing that response at here. So to send the image path to this upload file method, we'll add that at here, and we'll pass this image path to this method like this. So right now we're passing the image path which we are getting from the image picker to our upload file at here, and we're getting the base name. We're printing the base name at here, and we are setting the form data object which has our all file info, all our selected file data, and we're passing that data at here to our server side endpoint for storing the file, and we're printing the response at here. So that's all it is. Okay, to fix this show snack bar message error, we need to add one more method. Is called show snack bar message, and here we're getting one more error, scaffold state. We need to add a scaffold state variable. So here is our scaffold state variable. Okay, so that error has also gone. After that, we also need to pass on that scaffold state variable at here. That's it is. So we have successfully implemented our show sniper message, so all the error has gone. Finally, our client side part of our project has been done, so just let's move on to our server side part. In the backend, I'm using Apache as my web server and PHP as my backend scripting language. So I have created a PHP script and the file name is file.php, and I've also created a folder where this save file.php will upload the file inside at here. This is the upload folder and this is my PHP script. So very simple PHP script, and let me tell you one by one what is happening specifically at here. So this method will show all the errors if we get any error in our server side script. And this is the response structure, API response structure. Status and message, two things are there by default, both are null. This is the destination directory upload, which I just shown you, this one. And here this is the base file name variable, and this method is extracting the base file name from the global files variable. Then we are using that base file name and destination directory, but we are basically concatenating that one and creating the target file path. And here I'm checking whether I'm getting any error in the global file variable. If not, then I'm ready to upload the file to the destination path, else I'm showing the error right here. So this move upload file method, what it is doing, it is uploading the file from this temporary directory to this target file path. Okay, so if the upload is successfully completed, we are setting the response object status equal to true, message equal to file uploaded successfully, else status false, message equal to file uploaded failed. So same thing at here also, and at the end we are returning the response back to the Flutter app at here. So this is all the things. Now build our app and check how it is working. Alright, so our app is ready for the testing. In my right hand side, this is my mobile screen, and in my left hand side, this is my editor. And so let's build the app and see how it is working. Our build process has been started. Come on. Yeah, it's installing the APK. Here it is. So it's showing no image has been selected. Okay, so as our image source plugin is pointing to gallery, if we'll click on this fab button, our app should open the gallery, and then we'll select one image and we'll see what will happen. So let me clear this log once. Okay, so let me click on this fab button. Also this is the gallery, so I'll select one image. Yeah, so it's showing the file name. This specifically log is coming from this line for base file name, and the file name is this one, which is printed at here. File upload success response stat, this one is the response, status equal to true, message equal to file upload successfully. And if we'll check our upload directory, yeah, here's the image. Let me check. That's here it is. Wow, it's working. So now what we'll do, we'll, rather than gallery, we'll use the camera of the phone and we'll take one image and we'll see what will happen with that. So if we'll save right now, Okay, so right now it has been hot reloaded. So if we'll click the fab button right now, it should open the camera, our phone camera, and from that we'll take one snap and we'll see what will happen. Yeah, here's the camera. So this is my simple setup. So let me take a screenshot. Sorry, not screenshot, it's a snap. Okay, the simple image, and select it, and here it is. Snack bar message came, file uploaded successfully, and this is the base file name, and this is the response object, API response object, and the file has been uploaded. Now let's see our upload folder. So here it is. Cool. So this is the whole thing. I hope you got the point how it is working. And so right now currently we are getting images from this image picker plugin, but you can use any kind of files, whether it's image or any kind of document files, by using some other kind of package library, and you can pass those file path like this, and you can upload that particular file to the server. So it's up to you. So that's how it is working. That's all, guys. Hope this video will help you to understand how to upload your files from your Flutter app to your server. The file can be any kind of files, whether it's image or document, it doesn't matter. For any kind of comment and queries, please write it down in below comment box, and we'll see you in next one. Thank you.